Hello, our lovely learners! Welcome to our channel. As or like. How to use and when. Today's video is going to be about the use of these two words. Stay with me until the end of this video to find out more. After this video, the free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. To understand how to use as or like and not to make mistakes, you need to remember the following rules. Let's start with like. The word like can mean similar to something or someone else. For example, you behave like a child. I have been searching for a dress like this for ages. I can't discuss things with you anymore. It's like talking to a brick wall. As you can see, like is used with a noun, with the verb ing and a pronoun. Usually, like follows after verbs look, sound, taste, feel, smell. What is going on in the kitchen? It smells like something is burning. The clouds look like it is going to rain soon. When I arrive at that hotel, it feels like being at home. The soup tastes like someone put too much salt in it. His voice sounds like music to me. Sometimes like is used to give examples. For example, I enjoy activities like hiking or swimming that keep me fit. I'm keen on books like adventure stories or novels. Now is the turn of as. As is used in expressions as usual, as always. For example, as usual, I take the bus to get to the city center. As always, there are a lot of people on the bus. We always use as when we talk about jobs or some functions. For example, this sofa is used as a bed. He works as a driver. As a babysitter, she works part-time. As is used to link phrases in sentences and has the meaning because. We decided to stay at home as it was raining. As the roads were busy, I took the train to get home. Also, as is used in the meaning while or during in the sentences. For example, as I was cooking dinner, my mother was reading a book. Also, as is used in the meaning in the same way that a person says, usually with the subject and the verb. For example, as I mentioned before, I didn't read that book. As I promised, I completed the task on time. Everything has happened as I thought. As I said, I will not go to the party. In informal speech, like is also possible in these examples. Please compare. As a cook, I know a lot about how to prepare food properly. In this example, the cook is a job. We use as. I spent hours in the kitchen. I am like a cook. In this example, the cook is a description how I feel from time to time. We use like here. I like the pictures in your apartment. It feels like I'm in an art gallery. I like pictures in your apartment as it reminds me on an art gallery. I enjoy places like this. So I hope that was a clear explanation. And now you can see the difference between like and as. In the video description, there is a link. Please follow the link to do the grammar quiz and check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.